Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to create a website. First, navigate to the Canva website and log in or sign up for a free account. From the home page, search for website to find various templates. You can select from over 1,000 pre-designed layouts or begin with a blank canvas. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes adding elements straightforward, allowing you to quickly build your initial site structure. Once you have your basic layout, it is time to personalize your pages. You can easily add new pages to expand your site's content. Customize every element, from text fonts and colors to image placement and video integration. Canva provides access to millions of stock photos, illustrations, and videos. Remember to maintain a consistent brand aesthetic across all your pages for a professional look and feel. Now, let's make your website interactive and ready for the world. Add clickable buttons and links to guide visitors through your content or to external sites. Integrate your social media accounts to boost engagement. Before publishing, always preview your site on both desktop and mobile to ensure it looks perfect. You can publish using a free Canva domain or connect your existing custom domain in just a few clicks. After publishing, consider optimizing your website for better visibility. Use relevant keywords in your content to improve search engine ranking. Share your unique website link across your social media platforms and email campaigns to reach a wider audience. Canva also offers basic analytics to help you understand visitor engagement. Remember to update your content regularly, perhaps once every 2 weeks, to keep your site dynamic and engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.